Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a star icon into your documents or canvases on Inkscape. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this example canvas here on Inkscape and let me start with a star icon. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here to the left and you will see this tool here, star/polygon tool. You may access it also by clicking into the asterisk button or key on your keyboard. Click into it, and after that position your star by left clicking and by holding your left mouse. For example, like this. If you, while holding your left mouse, if you, for example, circle your mouse like this, you may rotate the star. Let me position another one here. You may also move your mouse up and down. That is going to resize your star like this. Release your left mouse to position your star. So now, as you can see, it features these corners. So what you want to do next is left click into the select tool and select your star icon with your left mouse. How you may move it on your or across your canvas. You may resize it, change its dimensions like this. You may change the color by using one of these fill colors here at the bottom, or right click into the star, select fill and stroke, and here customize the color. For example, add an outline, add gradient color, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you insert a star icon on Inkscape. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.